Six Senses hotel room. I don't even know where to start. This is the mini bar. They have, thank you boo, a nice tea selection, which I'm very excited to try. The typical coffee setup, some snacks up here, and then they have a stocked mini bar, a hidden TV here, and then there's a little balcony. She said that they grow their own food, or they have a little mini farm on premises, and they use that for their farm to table dining, which is super exciting. And she said we can go to their garden and walk through and look at what they're growing there. It's just nice that we have this balcony. There's so much space, and Kyoto is definitely very green compared to Tokyo. Tokyo felt very, I don't know, corporate and a little bit more gray. Kyoto is like much more traditional houses and more greenery in nature. This is a little like breakfast nook bedroom, a couch seating area, which is a nice little sofa, bed, nice working desk. I already know Russo is going to be a huge fan of this desk. It's like his perfect workspace. And then I guess this balcony, it actually connects to the other one in the main living room. Closet, wow, this is huge. With another big floor-to-ceiling window. It's so bright here. And then his and hers closet, a full-length mirror. Wow, this hotel room is so big. This bathroom is huge. I'm guessing this is the shower. Oh my god, it's so big in here. Why is this so big? Okay, this is a soaking tub, shower, toilet. Nice. I just heard the toilet turn on. How did it know I was there? This place is huge. This room is so big. This is like a whole apartment. They also left out PJs for you in case you forgot to bring your own. Moving on to the amenities, Six Senses was also really wellness focused, which I loved. This was their bathhouse. They gave me a robe and underwear to change into when I checked in at the spa. Their bathhouse featured 3 baths, a cold plunge, a medium warm bath, and then a hot bath. I definitely spent a good amount of time in the medium pool. It was the perfect temperature, so calm and relaxing and peaceful, and I had the whole place to myself. They also have a sauna and a steam room. This was their gym, definitely a solid gym. Got some good workouts in here. They also had these massage chairs. Not too sure how they worked or what they did, but the spa attendants mentioned something about biohacking, so I don't know, they probably had something to do with biohacking. The spa area was also really nice. They had this really cool alchemy bar where they could teach you, you could take lessons and learn how to make soaps, lip balms, body scrubs, things like that. We didn't end up taking a class, but I thought it was really cool that they even had this as an option. I went through a phase in my life where I was super into wellness and I was obsessed with making my own lotions and lip balms and skincare, and I eventually outgrew that phase, but this was just a cool experience that a previous version of myself would have loved. Woke up to the birds chirping and it is absolutely a beautiful day today. Right inside. I just finished up a quick morning workout and I'm gonna go meet Russo. He's working in the common areas. We're gonna go do breakfast. They have the most amazing breakfast bread. It's like a buffet, an East and West buffet, so they have Japanese breakfast food, and then they also have like more traditional Western pastries, yogurt, typical Western breakfast food. This was their common area. It was very multi-purpose. My boyfriend loved using it to work out of. It was just very bright and he had a lot of space and it gave those coffee shop vibes. Yeah, what an insane spread. And then they have the
this is the Western.
Honestly, the amount of the breakfast buffet that I recorded did not do it justice at all. Six Senses had such an incredible breakfast spread. It was so bountiful and they had a farm to table concept, which I loved. All of their food was insanely fresh and they had so many options on the eastern side and then also a whole other section for Western food. Yeah, that little baby Cujo green onion.
Yeah, no, baby. It's big.
Okay, well, the cauliflower looks like a little baby. I don't know what these are. I can't tell. Oh, carrots! Carrots. Carrots. Radish. Snappies. Oh, the snappies are little babies.